Conclusion. As a whole, I hope you're leaving this course with a plethora of knowledge and tips that will help you boost both your presence and your traffic potential using the LinkedIn platform. As you can see, LinkedIn is not just a platform for getting jobs anymore. It's now expanded to a platform where you can establish your brand for yourself, curate content and valuable information, and of course, drive traffic to anywhere you please, which then means you can do whatever you want with that traffic. Maintaining your brand via LinkedIn can improve your brand visibility and awareness among professionals and business owners. You can associate your LinkedIn profile with your resume, blog, website, or other social networks to best utilize the advantages of LinkedIn. LinkedIn allows you to connect with your past and recent coworkers, business partners, and friends. Users who are not connected with you can't see your complete profile. There's not a ton of secrets to know about LinkedIn other than to experiment and focus on linking all of your social networks and content generating platforms to LinkedIn so that you can keep it completely up to date. With that in mind, it's time for you to head out and get to work on your LinkedIn page. Whether it's your personal profile or a profile for your brand or company, you can incorporate the information you've learned in this course across the board. Thank you so much for taking the time to go through this course, and I wish you all the best of luck with your marketing and traffic generation endeavors.